Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be reviewing my Pullip doll family. Basically, this is just a fun little collection video of all the Pullip dolls I have collected so far. So let's get started. Number one on our list is Adsiltia. I just call her Tia because it's easier and shorter. She is number F597 and she came out in December of 2008. So she comes with this little jacket that does actually have a working zipper, and her little hat and her little purse. But the thing that most got me interested in her or wanted to buy her was her hair. I have never seen such thickly rooted, like that tightly spiraled curl hair on a doll that actually looked good. And it's very reminiscent of modern take on Victorian hair, and I thought it was just gorgeous. So she is the first Pullip doll I ever purchased. Now, on to number two. We have Saras. She is, I think, the third Pullip I ever bought. She is P013 and she came out in May of 2010. Her hair is, I guess I have a thing with hair. They have pretty hair, I like them. But I was intrigued by that green hair. It's so gorgeous. And her outfit is so insanely detailed. It's just beautiful. Honestly, the only thing I would change about her is I would give her darker skin, because I think it would be beautiful. Moving on to number three, we have Noelle. And I won't be spending too much time talking about Noelle because I just released a whole video on her. Now, number four, we have Optical Alice. She is P195 and she came out in January of 2017. She has some of the cutest accessories, the little key and a little dice necklace, heart necklace, excuse me. She has a little dice on her belt. But I really loved her white hair. I think it's really stunning. And her outfit is so sweet. So number five, I accidentally bought two Optical Alices. So I kept the first one, and our number five is the extra one. I, at the time, was not comfortable customizing her fully, so I just gave her a chop and got her an outfit on Etsy, and I thought that is good enough. So this is Alice number two. And now it's time for a little intermission, literally a little intermission, because I have two little Pullips. So, starting with the Cheshire Cat first, because what does Alice need if not a Cheshire Cat? She was released in November of 2008. She is number F841. And she is just the sweetest little tiniest thing with her tiny little paws and her tiny little tail. And I had to have her immediately. And my other little Pullip is Noir. She was released in 2012, and she is number F805. And I will say Her big sister version is definitely on my want list because she is precious. Number 6 is my favorite doll in the collection. Um, she is Vesta. She's number P262, and she came out in May of 2021. And she is the most gorgeous doll I have ever seen. I'm understanding a trend of liking dolls with white hair now. But that aside, her outfit is so stunning and gorgeous and detailed and just jaw-dropping. I honestly could not believe she was real. Her face is so perfect for her outfit. It matches her character. I would talk about the outfit for days if I could. Her shoes do keep falling off. They are both on at this moment, but that is no guarantee of the future. Um, but even her little rhinestone tears are just perfection. Number 7, who I also won't be talking very much about, is CL. And I also just did a whole video on him. So if you are interested in him, um, I will link the unboxing for him in the description. Now, number 8. This is the only doll that I don't have a collector card for, and that is because I bought him from the group store with no box. I got his hat, luckily, but no stand, nothing, so he was heavily discounted, but I thought CL needed his trusty butler. He does come with gloves. I hid them in his waistcoat, and his hat is very tall, but he's cool looking. I would have preferred the 2008 version of him, just because the hair is a bit better, but he is the 2015 model, so still love him, and I love his black nails. Now, how I display my dolls in real life. I am lucky enough to be the owner of many bookshelves, so there are many dolls on many shelves all over the house. That is a Ever After High doll. She's not who we were looking for. We were looking for Alice. So she is next to some horror books. And CL and Sebastian are next to my standee of CL and Sebastian. And then there is the little Noir. And nobody up here, nobody there. But then we have Tia. And there are my BJD dolls, so if you want a video on them, I would be happy to make one. And the final 3 are on the special favoritist shelf because they are my favorite girls. finally, just a bit of extra footage because I love my dolls very much and I thought it would be fun to take more video of them. So, please enjoy. Alright, that's gonna do it for me today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.